Hey, what's going on? It's Doug Beck with JDL Ventures, and I'm really excited to be talking to you again about another opportunity to joint venture with Douglas J Development. This one here is another great deal in Bergen County and Glen Rock, coincidentally, just like the last one we had talked about if you've been watching these videos and monitoring your emails, which I hope you have. And if you haven't, hey, glad you checked this one out. So this one here is in Glen Rock, like I said, and actually the net profit after all expenses are considered is looking at about a little over $150,000. $150,000. And the renovation has already been vetted out. Full scope of work is developed for this one here. It's not as big of a project as the last one you might have heard about or the one before that. But this one here is about a $90,000 renovation budget. And this particular property that we're looking to buy here, that we're already in contract to buy, is a great location in Glen Rock, which we'd be happy to disclose the full address. Just again, we need you to actually submit over to us your updated POF for additional information. And we are looking for someone to partner with us in the deal, and we could speak about those specifics if you do reach out to us. But again, this one here is a healthy margin, and we're really excited about the project. We've already got the majority of the funds lined up with a hard money lender, but we're here looking to see if you want to come into the deal in some capacity with us. And so we'd love to discuss that further. If you're interested in getting more information, you can reach out to us at sales@jdlventures.com. Send over that updated POF, and we'll be happy to send you some additional information and see how we can work together. So until then, I'll talk to you all real soon, and check us out for the next video. Talk to you then.